Hello everyone. In this video, we will turn off Windows Defender in Windows 11. First, click the Start button and type Windows Security. Open it. In the left panel, click Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down and click Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Find Real-Time Protection and switch it off. Confirm the change if asked. This stops scanning temporarily, but Windows may turn it back on later. To disable it completely, click Start again and type gpedit.msc, then press Enter. This opens the local group policy editor. If it does not open, your Windows edition may not have it. In the left panel, double-click Administrative Templates, then Windows Components. Scroll down and click Microsoft Defender Antivirus. On the right, find Turn off Microsoft Defender Antivirus and double-click it. In the new window, select Enabled, then click Apply and OK. Close the Group Policy Editor and restart your computer. After a restart, Windows Defender will stay off. Keep in mind, turning off Defender means your PC will not have built-in protection, so use another antivirus if needed. That's how to turn off Windows Defender in Windows 11 using both quick and permanent methods. Thanks for watching.